Today we're making Koulourakia, which is a typical Greek biscuit. Now they're great with coffee, or you can also have them with tea. So this is the way I make them, okay? So I've got a cup of sugar going in with 1 orange squeezed. Now I'll mix that together because what I like to do is let the orange juice melt the sugar. Now the reason I do that is because later on when it comes to rolling them out, they roll out easier, the fact that you've melted the sugar. Okay. 250 grams of butter, which I've softened because it's a bit cold this time of the year, so you need your butter to be soft. Put that in there, make sure I get it all. That's good, very good. Now, I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 heap teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll put a tablespoon of cognac or brandy. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Because we're using eggs, I always like to use vanilla. When you use anything with eggs in it, it helps. So I'll get that beating now, and then when that comes together, I'll add the eggs slowly. Okay, I'll let that mix now for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and we'll slowly start adding the flour. Okay, so I whisked that for 10 minutes, and I've changed now from the whisk to the flat beater, and I'll add the flour. I've got 1 kilo of self-raising flour here sieved, and I'll just add it slowly until I have enough in it. I don't measure the flour because I just add it as it needs it. Okay, this is pretty good now. As you can see, I didn't use all the flour. It's coming away from the bowl. You can see how it's come away from the bowl into a nice dough. So I'll get that out. Just add your flour slowly, and usually when it starts coming away from the side of the bowl like a dough, it's right. You don't want it too tight and you don't want it too sticky. You want it so you can roll it out easy. Now this looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks nice. I'm happy with that. Get this out of the road. And we'll get our tray and yeah, so I just do 1, 2, 3. That's all. Just 3 tabs. That's how I do them anyway. Just 1, 2, 3. So I'll make this tray this shape, and then I'll do the more conventional shape in a minute. Try and get them about the same size. You know, you want to, because they'll bake better for you if you got them all about the same size. And I'll just finish these like so. There you go, that's one row done nicely. I'll paint these now. I've finished this tray with egg. What I've got here is some egg, milk, and a pinch of salt. I like to put a pinch of salt in with the egg. So I'll just do this row. I usually do half sesame seed and half plain. You can, you know, you can do what you like. I like to be half and half. I'll do half of these sesame. Okay, these are ready to go in now. I've heated the oven up to 180 Celsius. They should take about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll put these in now. And I'll roll out these other ones, okay? I'll just do these the normal way, the scroll. A little bit of variety. These are lovely to have with a coffee. I like them a little bit better baked. I don't like them soft like cake. I like them baked so they're sort of like a biscuit, a little bit firmer. But it's up to you. You bake them the way you want to. Okay? And when the other ones come out of the oven, I'll put these in. Okay, I'll get these out now. They've been about 25 minutes. And I'll put the other ones in. Yeah, they're really nice. I'm happy with those. I'll let them cool down now and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, I'll get this last lot out. They look very nice too. Yeah, they look very nice. So I'll put these down and cool them down, and then when they cool down I'll come back to you. I'm very happy with these. They turned out really nice. They're going to be great with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. So once again, thank you, and please stay safe, all of you. Thank you.